everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. A few weeks ago we celebrated my son's 4th birthday, and I just want to bring you guys on a little behind the scenes for what we did to set up and get ready for his birthday party. So here we were just at Walmart looking through their Jurassic decor and just other party supplies that we could possibly need for his birthday party. Unfortunately, Walmart didn't have a whole lot in stock. They didn't have balloons we were looking for, or a lot of just other decor that I was kind of envisioning for his party, but we did still find some good stuff. After Walmart, we did go to a local Mexican candy store where we did find some more Jurassic Park decorations. We found balloons that I wasn't able to find at Walmart. We got a piñata. We got candy. We basically got everything else we needed for his party at this candy store. So from Walmart, we got a game of ladder ball that we found on clearance. We got the birthday blowers, the banner, and the ones that hang from the ceiling. We got a tablecloth, these Jurassic Park plates for cake, as well as the colored plates for the food. We got a case of water bottles and the balloon pump, which came super in handy. And we got this bag of miscellaneous plastic toys. From the candy store, we got the piñata and lots of candy. I ended up deciding to make treat bags because this was just too much candy. I was going to make the piñata way too heavy, and so I decided to make treat bags as well, and I found those at the candy store. The candy store, we found this birthday banner, these Jurassic Park goodie bags that I decided to actually use. We also found this door cover and these Jurassic Park themed balloons, as well as the other actual arch. Unfortunately, the audio for this clip is just too low to actually use, but I just wanted to open the arch with you guys and look through it. So the arch comes with these glue dots, as well as all the balloons, foil balloons, and everything you could possibly need. It also has this string. I don't know what it's actually called, but it's just clear with little holes where you stick the balloons in. Really small. After figuring out the proper balloon size, I took the plastic stencil they provided and I began to place the glitter balloons and the Jurassic balloons alternating with the same number of spaces between them. So I did them every 8 balloons. I was able to hang up the string from my air vent so that it was actually hanging and not dragging on the floor, and that seemed to be easier for me to place the balloons. Here you can see how I'm spacing out the glitter and the Jurassic balloons. I then started filling up the spaces with the green and brown balloons, alternating between the dark green and the lighter green. I did end up bringing them down when I only had the middle section left, which is where I hung it from the air vent. This was a little hard to do because it was hard to stick your hands between all those balloons. Alright, so we're finished. By we're, I mean I'm. Looks really good. We've got the different shades of green and the confetti ones, the brown ones. And then we have Jurassic Park ones in red, black, orange, and blue. Super excited to get this set up tomorrow. It's gonna look so good with everything else. I think we'll put this up, you know, kind of like an L, like that. And then I'm thinking probably this birthday one, or I don't know, over here, or this other banner. This one's just the flag one. So we'll see tomorrow. It is 2:40 in the morning, so I'm gonna call it a day, a night I guess, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. Well, good afternoon actually. So we rented 3 tables and the chairs, and then my mom had 2 tables. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get those set up so we can get, you know, like the backdrop set up and all that good stuff. So here I just started to set up the backdrop stand to get the actual backdrop on it. It was a little windy, so it's kind of hard to work with. You'll see here in a little bit how the backdrop is kind of like blowing in the wind, and at one point it actually like knocked the whole thing over, but luckily by the time the party actually started, the wind was calm and we were able to properly put the balloons up and everything.